Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In the previous session, we discussed about the problems on integration which are depends upon substitution method. Okay. Today also I will give some more examples on that method. Okay. See the problems. Find integral of 1 minus 1 by x square whole into e power x plus 1 by x whole dx. This is the given problem. Before finding the solution of this type of integrations, we should observe the form of the given function. Okay. Definitely you will identify a term whose derivative is also a part of the given problem. Okay. See, here we have 1 minus 1 by x square and e power x plus 1 by x. Please observe this power term. Differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Just by eye contact we can easily substitute what is the substitution term here. Okay. In the solution, put x plus 1 by x is equal to t. You can simply say this term is t. Take the derivative with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Already we know that differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. According to this formula, you will get here minus 1 by x square is equal to dt by dx. Take this dx term to left hand side. So you will get 1 minus 1 by x square of dx is equal to dt. You can write this step directly, no problem. Now with this substitution, given problem becomes to integral of 1 minus 1 by x square e power x plus 1 by x into dx is equal to, whenever we have x plus 1 by x, replace it by t, and we have 1 minus 1 by x square dx is equal to dt. So that's why replace this term into dx by dt. So the problem simply becomes, first write e power x plus 1 by x is nothing but t. So you will get e power t. 1 minus 1 by x square dx term can be written as dt. So the entire given problem becomes to simply integral e power t dt. Okay. What is the integration of e power t? E power t itself. That's why e power t plus c, that is equal to replace t value e power x plus 1 by x plus c. This is the result of given problem. Okay. Please see the next problem. Find integration of 1 by root over sine inverse x into root over 1 minus x square dx. So here also we are observing one thing, we do not have any direct formula for this type of terms on integrations. So we should use the suitable substitution. What is the suitable substitution? Just by eye contact we can easily identify what is the substitution here. Okay. What is the substitution here? We are observing that we have the terms sine inverse x and 1 by root over 1 minus x square dx. That's why simply take sine inverse x is equal to t, you will get its derivative as another part. Put sine inverse x. Don't take root over sine inverse x. Just take sine inverse x is equal to t. Take this term is t. So you will get 1 by root over 1 minus x square. 1 by root over. Everybody knows that derivative of sine inverse x is 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Derivative of x is dx, and I simply take here dt. So with this substitution, given problem becomes integral 1 by root over sine inverse x into root over 1 minus x square dx is equal to So whenever we have sin inverse x, replace it by t. So integration of 1 by root t, and replace 1 by, here already we have 1 in the numerator, 1 by root over 1 minus x square dx as dt. So it is enough to find out the integration of 1 by root t dt. Its derivative, what is the integration of 1 by root x? It is in the form of 1 by root x dx. What is the integration of 1 by root x dx? 2 root x. That's why here we are taking the integration with respect to x, here we are taking the integration with respect to t. That's why you will get similar result, 2 root t plus c. So replace t value now, 2 root sin inverse x plus c. Already in previous sessions I told you integral 1 by root x dx is nothing but 2 root x. That's why integral 1 by root t dt is equal to 2 root t dt, 2 root t plus c. That's all. Okay. I will give another problems now. Please note down. Next problem is find integration of log x whole square whole by x dx. So please observe the structure of the given problem carefully. So given function has log x whole square by x, but everybody knows that derivative of log x is 1 by x. So you should identify that derivative of log x is 1 by x. 1 by x is also a part of the given problem. That's why first write the given problem as integral log x whole square by x dx can be written as integral log x whole square into 1 by x can be written as here 1 by x into dx. Please write 1 by x here. Now replace log x is equal to t. So derivative of log x is 1 by x, derivative of x is simply dx, and derivative of t is dt directly. So above problem becomes integration of what is log x? Whenever we have log x, replace it by t. So t square, and 1 by x dx can be replaced by dt. So problem is simply integral t square dt. What is integration of t square dt? Power formula. We know that integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here derivative is with respect to x, here integration is with respect to x, here integration is with respect to t. That's why you will get t cube by 3 plus. What is t cube? What is t? Again replaced by log x whole by 3. Okay, don't forget one thing, given problem is in the variable of x, that's why the answer of this integration is also in terms of x. That's why in the climax you should replace t by log x, don't forget it. Okay. Next problem. Find integration of log of 1 plus x whole by 1 plus x dx. So here also observe the structure in the given problem. Clearly we are observing that the derivative of the term which is in the numerator log of 1 plus x is 1 by 1 plus x dx. That's why simply replace log of 1 plus x is equal to t. Okay. In the case of substitution method, simply we identify a term whose derivative is also another part in the given problem. It's enough. Okay. Put log of 1 plus x is equal to t. Its derivative is 1 by 1 plus x dx is equal to dt. So therefore given problem becomes log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x dx. So directly replace the numerator log of 1 plus x with t, and for the dx by 1 plus x, this is nothing but dx by 1 plus x, this is dx by 1 plus x is equal to dt. You can also simply write in this way, otherwise you can write in this way detailedly. Okay. So what is the integration of t? T square by 2 plus c. What is t? Log of 1 plus x whole square by 2 plus c. So in this way we can complete the problem. So write the next problems. These are the next set of problems. Find integration of 3x square by 1 plus x power 6 dx. This is the given problem. Okay. Please observe the structure of the given problem carefully. In the numerator we have 3x square. In the denominator we have 1 plus x power 6. Okay. We are observing that 3x square is the derivative of x cube. What is the derivative of x cube? 3x square. So numerator is the derivative of the term x cube. That's why in the denominator x power 6 can be written as equal to integral 3x square whole by 1 plus. This x power 6 can be written as in the combination of x cube. That's why x cube whole square. X power 6 can be written as x cube whole square dx. Okay. Now substitute x cube is equal to t. If we take x cube is equal to t, then automatically its derivative is the numerator. Simple. So put x cube is equal to t. So its derivative is 3x square dx is equal to dt. So above problem becomes 3x square dx can be replaced by dt by 1 plus. Here we have x cube. What is x cube? T. So t square. So we are observing that the problem becomes integral 1 by 1 plus t square dt. This entire problem becomes integral 1 by 1 plus t square dt, whose integration is tan inverse of t plus c. Whose integration is tan inverse of t plus c, because it is in the form of integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Okay. That is equal to re plus t by x cube. So tan inverse of x cube plus c. This is the result of the given integration. Now see this similar problem, similar type of problem. This one is also. So here we are observing that in the numerator x power 8. In the denominator we have 1 plus x power 18 dx. Everybody knows that derivative of x power 9 is equal to 9 into x power 8. At least we have x power 8 in the numerator. That's why given problem can be written as x power 8 by 1 plus x power 18 dx is equal to integral x power 8 whole by 1 plus x power 18 can be written as in the combination of x power 9. That's why simply you can write as x power 9 whole square dx. Okay. Please see carefully. Okay. Now replace x power 9 is equal to t. Its derivative is 9 into x power 9 minus 1, because it is in the form of x power n. By taking the derivative with respect to x on both sides, you will get 9 into x power 9 minus 1, which is 8. Write dx here is equal to dt. Actually in the right hand side you get dt by dx. Derivative of t with respect to x is dt by dx. Okay, take this denominator dx to left hand side, directly you will get dx here. But in the numerator we have only x power 8 into dx only. That's why what is the x power 8 into dx? 1 by 9 into, take this 9 to right hand side of the denominator. 1 by 9 dt. So this above problem becomes with these substitutions. By using this substitution in this one, this equation becomes integration of what is x power 8? X power 8 is x power 8 into dx is nothing but 1 by 9. So write 1 by 9 dt here. 1 plus x power 9 is t square. So the 1 by 9 is the constant term. Integral 1 by 1 plus 9 square dt is tan inverse of t plus c. So 1 by 9 into tan inverse of what is t? Replace it by x power 9 plus c. In this way we can complete the given problem. Okay. These are the substitutions. By using these substitutions, the above equation becomes to this one. Okay. See the next problems. This is the next problem. Find integral 2x cube by 1 plus x power 8 dx. In the numerator we have x cube, 2x cube. Okay. What is the derivative of x power 4? Derivative of x power 4 is 4 into x cube. At least in the numerator we have x cube. That's why x power 8 can be written as x power 4 whole square. So first take the given problem is equal to integral 2x cube by 1 plus x power 8 can be written as in the combination of x power 4. So x power 4 whole square. 2 4s are 8 whole dx. So put x power 4 is equal to t. Just take only the base x power 4 is equal to t. So you will get 4x cube dx is equal to dt. But in the numerator we have only 2x cube dx. That's why 4 can be written as 2 into 2 and take this 2 to right hand side denominator. So 2x cube dx is equal to of dt. So with these substitutions this problem becomes to whenever we have dx cube dx 2x cube dx you can replace it by of dt. So the above problem becomes 1 by 1 plus t square into of dt. Okay, because 2x cube dx is equal to of dt. So it is of into take outside the constant 1 by 2 and integration of 1 by 1 plus t square is tan inverse of t. Integration is completed plus c. So of into. Okay. What is tan inverse of t? T is nothing but x power 4. X power 4 plus c. In this way we can complete the problem. See the next one. This is important problem. Solution. In the numerator we have x square. In the denominator we have root over 1 minus x power 6 dx. Okay. So x power 6 can be written as x cube whole square. X power 6 can be written as x cube whole square. Then automatically by putting x cube is equal to t, you will get the numerator. Okay. Once write the given problem here is equal to integral x square by root over 1 minus x power 6 can be written as x cube whole square. 2 3s are 6. Now what is the substitution here? Put x cube is equal to t. Derivative of x cube is 3x square dx is equal to dt. But in the numerator we have only x square dx. So that's why x square dx can be written as 1 by 3 into dt. Okay. Take this 3 to right hand side denominator. So with this substitution this above problems becomes x square dx can be replaced by 1 by 3 dt. So here we have 1 root over 1 minus t square into what is x square dx? 1 by 3 dt right here. 1 by 3 dt. Instead of x square dx you should write 1 by 3 dt. So 1 by 3 is the constant term right outside and the remaining part is integration of 1 by root over 1 minus t square dt. It is in the form of integration of 1 by root over 1 minus x square dx which is inverse trigonometric sine term which is sin of x plus c. So here we have t here, that's why you should write the answer in terms of t. Sin inverse of t that is equal to 1 by 3 into sin inverse of what is t? X cube plus c. Don't forget to replace the value of t in the climax step. It is very important in examinations. Okay. Thank you very much. See you to next video session.